Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. We're going to talk today about our Nihilo Concepts air valve mudguard kits. These are very important for our motorcycles because it keeps the dirt, water, sand, and mud away from your inner tubes. That's usually what happens when you don't use one of these. You get all the stuff down into the valve stem right here. Sand starts acting as sandpaper inside your tube and your wheel. So what you want to do is you want to remove the stock cap, you want to remove the stock nut, and slide the Nihilo Concepts air valve mudguard right on, like so. Put your cap back on after you check your tire pressure, and you're good to go. Make sure to leave the nut out. You don't want the nut in there. You want to leave a little bit of room for the tube to flex. If you're powering the bike and the tire wants to move away from the wheel a little bit, it has a little bit of room to flex. If you have the nut tightly against the rim, it'll rip the stem right off and you'll have a flat tire. The Nihilo Concepts air valve mudguard kit is a great add-on and a necessity for all the dirt bikes out there. Little things like this create a big difference. It'll help with the longevity of the tire and the tube, and it'll help you finish a race or finish your Sunday trail ride. As you see here, we have 5 different colors available. They come 2 to a kit of the same color, but feel free to mix and match if you want to do a different color in the front and a different color in the rear.